This freaking girl just lost her AirPod. Somehow we're going down a paved trail and she somehow loses her AirPod 15 feet down a cliff. What's up, guys? Cool scooters! Look at where she is, all the way down there. Guess where I found it? What's that right there?
Okay, call me out. You want to put the GoPro back on?
Oh, it shut off.
Well, I guess I'm going this way without music.
All right, it's recording. So it's like getting dark, like 7:30 maybe?
Yeah, 7:30.
7:30. The bugs are completely attacking us. We were just hitting this jump down here. It's kind of fun.
Just riding around.
Just got two random airplanes. Yeah, it's getting dark. Let's just hit the roads.
Okay.
All right.
I'm better out there.
Go, go, go. What do you got, 800 miles?
Almost. I need like 15 miles.
Damn. Oh, nice one. We're lost. Put your fucking phone away. Don't be stupid. Drive safe. Oh, I know where we are now. Take a right, we go home. Right. Quack, quack, quack. magical moment.
It is very windy by the lake.
Woo! She did it! 800 miles on the MX3. Look at that. On the nose, exactly 800. Are you getting emotional?
No.
Yeah, now we need to do new tires, new brakes.
My tires are bald.
Yeah, look at her tires. They're worse than mine because she just burns out everywhere. Completely bald. And mine's older and has more life to it.
You're still bald.
Look at this. Oh, nice one. She's getting good on this thing. Now a wheelie. Show the wheelie. Yeah. Nice one.